Question 65 in our according question 22 in October November 21 variant 3. سؤال مهم جدا very important question 5 marks لازم يجي لك في الامتحان. المنهج الجديد ما كانش بيجي قبل 2020. طيب يبقى انا هنا لازم اكون مركز ان ده simultaneous first degree with second degree. الايكويشن دي first degree equation والايكويشن دي second degree equation. الفيرست degree equation y equal x minus 1. The second degree equation y equal x squared minus 3x minus 13. By substitution we will substitute y by x minus 1 يبقى y equal x minus 1 equal x squared minus 3x minus 13. Now let's arrange the equation and make it equal 0. We will send the x with different sign or negative 1 with different sign. X squared minus 3x minus 13 minus x plus 1 equals 0. Collecting the like terms, x squared negative 3x minus x equals negative 4x. Negative 13 plus 1 equals negative 12. الكلام ده equals 0. Factorization as a trinomial x minus 6 x plus 2. You can do it mentally or you can do it by using your calculator mode 53 as you like. X equals 6, x equals negative 2. Now we have two values of x. The two values of x are 6 and negative 2. We need to find the value of y. To find the value of y, we have to substitute in the first degree equation the value of x. If x equals 6, then y equals 6 minus 1, it means 5. Then y equals 5. If x equals negative 2, then y equal negative 2 minus 1, y equal negative 3. And this is the answer. We have two values for x and two values for y. One of the most important questions, you have to solve it multiple times to be sure that you can solve this type of questions. And thank you.